Hello, good morning students of class 12. Today we discuss about the elimination reaction, which is the part of the haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter of your class 12. Okay. The elimination reaction, the word elimination means what? Something is going to be removed. Okay. So in that case, we have to first discuss about the beta elimination reaction, or we can say dehydrohalogenation reaction. D means something is going to be removed. Okay. Hydro regarding with the hydrogen, and halogen means anything from the fluorine, chlorine and bromine and iodine. Clear? So this is going to be explained with an example. Suppose that this is the alkyl halide. This is the alkyl halide. The carbon is going to be attached with the halogen, and this is the alkyl part. The carbon having which is attached with the halogen, the carbon which is directly attached with the halogen is known as alpha carbon. The next carbon to the alpha carbon, that is called beta carbon, and the alpha carbon having hydrogen is also known as alpha hydrogens. Clear? This is the alpha hydrogen, this is the alpha hydrogen, and the beta carbon having hydrogen, that is known as beta hydrogens are there. Clear? So in this reaction, it is going to react. Alkyl halide is going to react with the alcoholic KOH. This is the special kind of base which will be a weak base. Clear? Now in that case, the base from the alcoholic KOH, it is going to react, and it just acting as a base which abstract the proton from the beta carbon. Okay, which abstract the proton from the beta carbon, and when the proton is abstracted by the alcoholic KOH, that means to say the OH part of the KOH is going to abstract the proton, and the electrons just transfer to the carbon of alpha, or we can say alpha carbon, because here the carbon and the chlorine is attached, and this chlorine is a good living group. It is going from here because it is more electronegative as compared to the carbon. Chlorine is more electronegative as compared to the carbon. It is going from here. Okay, and this carbon will having a partial positive charge, which shows the electron deficiencies is occurring here, which is fulfilled by the electron transfer from this carbon, which is beta carbon, and the proton extract from the beta carbon. Clear? So now there is a deficiency of bond between the carbon, which will be fulfilled by the double bond, because the electrons transfer from this beta carbon to the alpha carbon. Clear? So these carbon having these CH2 with having double bond, that means to say alkene formation will take place, and the OH minus ion is going to attach with the H plus ion, which is a proton, which will be abstract proton, and H plus ion is going to combine with the OH minus ion, it comes from the alcoholic KOH and it comes from the alkyl halide. It is going to combine to form H2O, and this is the H2O, and the chlorine, which is a good living group, is just written here. Clear? Now this Cl minus ion will combine with the K positive ion, so it will form KCl. Clear? As a final byproduct. So the main product of the reaction is beta elimination is alkene formation. I hope you